Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. In today's video, we are going to learn each and every concept of addition and subtraction for class 4. But before starting with this video, let me tell you that we have made videos on every chapter of class 4 maths. We also have interesting worksheet and quizzes for each chapter. You can find them on our channel Learning Notebook. Also, you can see a list of all such videos on our website. The link to our website is below in the description box. So let's see what all topics we are going to cover today in this video. First is addition and subtraction facts. How to add and subtract 4-digit numbers. How to regroup while adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting 5-digit numbers, how to check the sum and difference, estimating the sum and the difference, adding horizontally, word problems related to addition and subtraction, and in the end, I will give you a worksheet for your practice. So let's start and first understand addition terms. So what is addition? Addition means to find the total value of two or more numbers. Like here, the two numbers are 425 and 162. These two numbers which are being added, they are called as addends. And the answer that we get on adding these two numbers, that answer is called the sum. So here 587, which is the answer we got on adding these addends, is the sum. Now let's learn addition facts. First addition fact is numbers can be added in any order, their sum remains the same. For example, if we add two numbers 542 and 147, we get the sum as 689. Now let's reverse the order and add 147 and 542. But again, we get the sum as 689. So it means numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Second addition fact is, when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. Let's take an example. Let's add 1 to 64. We get the sum as 65, which is the successor of 64. Let's take one more example. We will add 1 to number 164. We get the sum as 165, which is the successor of number 164. So this is addition fact number 2. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the number. The third addition fact is, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. For example, if we add 0 to number 52, we get the sum as 52 itself. Let's take one more example, and this time we will add 0 to 152. We get the sum as 152, which is the number itself. So students, these are the 3 addition facts. Now let's do some questions based on these addition facts. First fill in the blank is 1326 plus 1 equals to dash. So here answer is 1327 because we learnt in addition fact 2 when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of that number. Next question is dash plus 699 equals to 699 plus 5. So here answer is 5 because of fact 1 which says numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Next question is 898 plus dash equals to 898. So what would be the answer here? Yes, it is 0 because according to addition fact 3, when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Next one is 79579 plus 1 equals to dash. Answer would be 79580 because of addition fact number 2. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of that number. And last question is 78 plus 69 plus 36 equals to 36 plus dash plus 69. So what would be the answer here? Yes, 78 because according to addition fact 1, numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. Students, to learn addition of 3 and 4 digit numbers with the help of interesting activity, you can refer to our separate video. Also, we have another activity to learn multiplication of 2-digit numbers. I would recommend you to watch both these videos. The link to these videos are below in the description box. Now let's do addition of 4-digit numbers. To understand this, let's take an example. We will do an example without carrying. Question is, find the sum of 1752 and 1215. To add these two numbers, first write them in columns as shown here. Now we will start adding them from ones place. 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Next, we will add the digits at tens place. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Now, let's add the digits at hundreds place. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. And then we will add the digits at thousands place. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So students, our answer is 2967. Now let's do a question with carrying. Find the sum of 9627 and 4389. To add these two numbers, first we will write them in columns. Now we will start adding them from ones place. So 7 plus 9 equals to 16. But we cannot write 2 digits in the answer. So we need to regroup 16 into 1 tens and 6 ones. Students, in simple term, carry 1 to the tens place and write 6 in the answer. Now let's add the digits at tens place. 1 carry plus 2 plus 8 equals to 11. Again we have got a 2-digit number. So we will carry 1 to the hundreds place and 1 comes in the answer. And students, don't forget to add carry here. Now let's add the digits at hundreds place. 1 carry plus 6 plus 3 equals to 10. Since it's a 2-digit number, so we will carry 1 to the thousands place and 0 comes in the answer. Now let's add the digits at thousands place. 1 carry plus 9 plus 4 equals to 14. So our answer is 14016. Students, we also have a complete chapter on place value and we have lot of activities as well. So do watch our other videos too. Now we will do addition of 5-digit numbers. Question is, find the sum of 28685 and 32312. So let's first write these numbers in column. And now start adding them from ones place. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. Since 10 is a 2-digit number, so we will carry 1 to the 10,000s place and 0 comes in the answer. Next, add 1 carry plus 2 plus 3 which is equals to 6. So answer is 60997. Students, for more questions on adding 4-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers, you can refer to our separate videos. Both these videos have a lot of questions on with and without carrying. The link to these videos are below in the description box. Now let's learn how to check addition. To understand how to check addition, let's solve one question. Find the sum of 3125 and 1553 and then check your answer. So let's first add these two numbers. Add the ones place first. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Next, 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Then 1 plus 5 equals to 6. And lastly, 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So the sum is 4678. Now let's check if this answer is correct or not. To check this answer, we will add up the given numbers. It means 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. And 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Students, in both the cases, our answer is same. So it means our sum is correct. So this is the way we check addition. Now let's learn how to estimate the sum. Students, at times in real life situations, we do not need to find exact sum, but we need just estimated sum. Estimated sum gives us a rough idea of the sum. So let's see how to estimate the sum. Question is, find the estimated and exact sum of 214 and 397. Let's first find the estimated sum of the given numbers. To find the estimated sum, we will round off the given numbers. So 214 rounds down to 200 and 397 rounds up to 400. Now let's add these two rounded numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0 and 2 plus 4 is 6. So estimated sum of these two numbers is 600. Now let's find the exact sum of the two given numbers. For this, write them in columns and then start adding them from ones place. 4 plus 7 equals to 11. So carry 1 to the tens place and 1 comes in the answer. Next, 1 carry plus 1 plus 9 equals to 11. Again carry 1 to the hundreds place and 1 comes in the answer. Next, 1 carry plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6. So exact sum is 611. So we will write the estimated sum is 600 and the exact sum is 611. Now let's learn how to add the numbers horizontally. Question is, add 457 and 323 horizontally. To add these two numbers horizontally, let's first write them horizontally as shown here. Now, we will add the digits at ones place. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. Since 10 is a two-digit number, so we will carry 1 to the tens place and 0 comes in the answer. Next, we will add the digits at tens place. 1 carry plus 5 plus 2 equals to 8. Next, add the digits at hundreds place. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So answer is 780. So students, this is how we add the numbers horizontally. Now let's see how to solve word problems related to addition. The word problem is, a public library has 4305 books in Hindi, 6529 books in English and 3756 books in German language. How many books are there in the library? Students, to solve any word problem, first we need to write the statements. So let's do so. Number of books in Hindi equals to 4305. Number of books in English equals to 6529. Number of books in German equals to 3756. Now, to find the total number of books in the library, we need to add these three numbers. So let's write them in column. Now add the digits at ones place first. 5 plus 9 plus 6 equals to 20. So carry 2 to the tens place and 0 comes in the answer. Now add the digits at tens place. 2 carry plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 9. Next, add the digits at hundreds place. 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals to 15. So carry 1 to the thousands place and 5 comes in the answer. And lastly, we will add the digits at thousands place. 1 carry plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 equals to 14. So answer is 14590. Students, do not forget to write answer statements in the word problems. The answer statement is there are 14,590 books in the library. Students, for more word problems related to addition, you can refer to our separate video. This video has lot of addition word problems. The link to this video is below in the description box. Now let's start the topic of subtraction. First, we will understand subtraction terms. So what is subtraction? Subtraction means to find the leftover or what is missing. Let's take an example to understand subtraction terms. 587 minus 352 equals to 235. So here the number from which another number is subtracted is called minuend. So in this example, 587 is minuend. And the number which is being subtracted is called subtrahend. So here 352 is subtrahend. And students, the answer that we get on subtracting the two numbers is called the difference. So here 235 is the difference. Now let's understand subtraction facts. First subtraction fact is when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, if we subtract 0 from number 85, we get the difference as 85 itself. Similarly, if we subtract 0 from another number, let's say 185, then also we get the difference as the number itself, which is 185. Second subtraction fact is when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. For example, if we subtract 1 from 93, we get the difference as 92, which is the predecessor of 93. Let's take one more example. This time we will subtract 1 from 193. we get the difference as 192, which is the predecessor of 193. And the third subtraction fact is, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. For example, if we subtract 794 from 794 itself, then we get the difference as 0. In the same way, if we subtract 2817 from 2817 itself, again we get the difference as 0. So these were the three subtraction facts. Now let's do some questions based on these subtraction facts. First is 7895 minus 1 equals to dash. So here answer is 7894, because we learned in subtraction fact 2, when 1 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the predecessor of the number. Second question is dash minus 1 equals to 899. Here answer is 900, because 899 is predecessor of 900. Next question is 956 minus dash equals to 956. So it means what should be subtracted from 956 to get 956 itself? Answer is 0. As we learned in subtraction fact 1, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Next question is 57,000 minus 1 equals to dash. So we have to find predecessor here. So answer would be 56699. And the last question is 1071 minus 1071 equals to dash. So answer is 0, because according to subtraction fact number 3, when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. Now let's do subtraction of 4-digit numbers. First, we will do a question without borrowing. Question is, subtract 2527 from 6759. So first, we will write these numbers in column. Then, we will start subtracting them from ones place. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. Then, subtract the digits at tens place. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Next, we move to hundreds place. 7 minus 5 equals to 2. And lastly, we subtract the digits at thousands place. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. So answer is 4232. Now let's do a question with borrowing. Find the difference between 8735 and 4687. So let's write these numbers in column and we will start subtracting them from ones place. But 5 is weaker than 7. So 5 need to borrow. It will borrow from tens place. So 3 becomes 2 and 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 7 equals to 8. Now let's move to tens place. But again, 2 is weaker than 8. So, 2 need to borrow from hundreds place. So, 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. Now, we can subtract 12 minus 8 equals to 4. Now, we will subtract the digits at hundreds place. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. And lastly, we will subtract the digits at thousands place. So 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Therefore, answer is 4048. Now students, we will do subtraction of 5-digit numbers. First, we will do a question without borrowing. Find the difference between 79586 and 34262. So let's first write these numbers in column. Now we will start subtracting them from ones place. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Next, subtract the digits at tens place. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Then 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Next, 9 minus 4 equals to 5. And then 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So answer is 45324. Now let's do a question with borrowing. Find the difference between 43523 and 27552. Let's write these numbers in column. And now we will subtract the digits at ones place. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Now let's subtract the digits at tens place. But 2 is weaker than 5. So 2 need to borrow. It will borrow from hundreds place. So 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. Now we can easily subtract 12 minus 5 equals to 7. Let's move to hundreds place. But again, 4 is weaker than 5. So 4 will borrow from thousands place. So 3 becomes 2 and 4 becomes 14. And 14 minus 5 equals to 9. Now let's subtract the digits at thousands place. But 2 is weaker than 7. So 2 will borrow from 10,000s place. So 4 becomes 3 and 2 becomes 12. And 12 minus 7 equals to 5. And lastly, we will subtract the digits at 10,000s place. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So students, answer is 15971. For more examples on subtracting 4-digit numbers and 5-digit numbers, you can refer to our separate videos. Both these videos contain lot of questions on with or without borrowing. So do watch these videos. Their links are available below in the description box. Now, let's understand how to check subtraction. Let's solve a question to understand how to check subtraction. Find the difference between 5621 and 2420 and check your answer. Students, remember that to check subtraction, we take help of addition. So firstly, we will subtract the given numbers to find the difference. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. And 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So we have got the difference as 3201. Now students, to check this answer, we will add this difference and subtrahend, which is 2420. And if their sum is equal to the minuend, that is 5621, then the answer is correct. So let's add them. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 0 plus 2 equals to 2. 2 plus 4 equals to 6. And 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now, since the sum is equal to the minuend, then it means our subtraction is correct. So students, this is how we check subtraction with the help of addition. Now let's learn how to estimate the difference. Students, we will estimate the difference in the same way as we did estimating the sum. That is, we will round off the numbers. So let's do a question. Find the estimated and exact difference between 679 and 434. So let's first find the estimated difference. For this, we need to round off the given numbers. 679 rounds up to 700 and 434 rounds down to 400. Now let's subtract these two numbers. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Again 0 minus 0 equals to 0. And 7 minus 4 equals to 3. So this is the estimated difference. Now let's find the exact difference between the given numbers. 679 minus 434. 9 minus 4 equals to 5. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. And 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So students, estimated difference is 300 and exact difference is 245. So this is how we estimate the difference. Now let's understand how to solve word problems related to subtraction. Word problem is Sanjana had 9250 rupees in her bank account. She had to go for shopping and thus she withdrew rupees 4590 from her account. How much money is left in her bank account? Students, as you can see, this is a subtraction word problem. Let's first write the statements. Money in the bank account of Sanjana equals to rupees 9250. and money withdrawn from the account equals to 4590. Now to find the money left in the bank account, we will subtract these two numbers. So let's do it. First we will write them in column and now we will start subtracting them from ones place. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Now let's move to tens place, but 5 is weaker than 9. So it will borrow from hundreds place. So 2 becomes 1 and 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 9 equals to 6. Let's move to hundreds place, but 1 is weaker than 5. So 1 borrows from thousands place. Therefore 9 becomes 8 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 equals to 6. And then 8 minus 4 equals to 4. So answer is 4660. Students, never forget to write the answer statements in the word problems. So let's write the answer statement. Rupees 4660 is left in Sanjana's bank account. Students, for more subtraction word problems, you can refer to our separate video. In this video, you will find many word problems related to subtraction. The link to this video is below in the description box. Now, in the end, I am giving you a practice worksheet. So, students, these are the questions for your practice. Do solve them and mention your answers in the comments box. And I would recommend you to watch my other videos on addition and subtraction for class 4. And refer my channel to your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.